Alright, there's seagulls out there and they can't fly. Because it's too bad weather. They're trying to fly and they just can't. I'm in here with Nick. And we're about to go tubing in this crap, and we're watching Big Mama's house. Oh crap! Dude, look it! Yeah.
Oh darn it, I missed the video. Now they're starting to get away.
It's like we don't even want them to get away anymore. We just want them to like fail. Look at that! This is awesome. And Mom and Allie are in. Man, this is totally worth